Good morning, dear children. Today let us start our new lesson, Food Essence of Life. Children, in this lesson, we are going to study about introduction of food, nutrients of food, food materials from plant sources, food materials from animal sources, millets, uses of millets. Let us learn about one by one in detail. Children, the first concept is food. ಹಸಿಯದೆ ಉಣಬೇಡ, ಹಸಿದು ಮತ್ತಿರಬೇಡ, ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತಂಗಳುಣಬೇಡ, ವೈದ್ಯನಾಗಸನೆಯ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. Observe the tripadi of Kavi Sarvajna. In the second line, he says, not to eat stale food mixing with fresh food. Why does he say? Can you think? Because stale food loses nutritional values where it is preserved for long period of time. Yes, this line refers to the food which we eat. Food is the essence of our life. Every day we do one or the other work. We need energy for doing work. Children, in our daily activities we do lot of work. For example, we all get up in the morning. We have to go for school. Then you have to go for classroom, sit there, listen to the teacher's word, etc. For doing all these activities, we need energy. So, where do we get energy, children? We get energy from the food. Food is necessary for our growth, development, and good health. Therefore, food is essential for all living organisms. This is about introduction of food. Children, the next concept is nutrients of food. You already know that there are many nutrients in the food that we eat. The nutrients of food and the food materials which are rich in those nutrients are given below. Carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water are the major nutrients present in the food. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Carbohydrates are energy-giving food. Example, ragi, wheat, jowar, foxtail millets, little millets, bread, honey. The food that are rich in fat is called as energy-giving food. For example, groundnut, meat, fish, dry coconut, sesame, egg. These are the examples of lipids. Proteins are also called as body-building food. Example, red gram, black-eyed beans, milk, green gram, soya bean. Vitamins keep us fit and healthy. Vitamins and minerals are called as protective food. Example, vegetables, cereals, fruits, fenugreek, carrot, sprouted seeds, fish oil, green yellow vegetables. Understood, children? Most of the food we eat, especially fruits and vegetables, contains some water. Our body needs water for proper digestion and good health. We need to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Cucumber, watermelon, cauliflower, grapes, radish are rich in water content. You have studied the nutrients and their suitable food materials, correct? These nutrients are helpful for our growth, repair, bodybuilding, and for being healthy. We need to consume all the types of nutrients. That means balanced diet. Food materials from plant sources. The food substances from plant sources are paddy, foxtail millets, pearl millets, mango, cauliflower, ragi, fenugreek seeds means menthia, carrots, radish, etc. These materials are available for us from plant sources. Food materials from animal sources. The food substances from animal sources are meat, ghee, cheese, egg, milk, buttermilk, etc. These materials are available for us from animal sources. Children, observe given below images to understand the food materials from animal sources. The list of some food materials obtained from plant sources is given below. The food substances obtained from plant sources are classified as cereals, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, fruits. Observe the chart. I will read one by one. Cereals, foxtail millets, jowar, little millets are the examples of cereals. Pulses, green gram, red gram, black gram are the examples of pulses. Oil seeds, sunflower seeds, groundnut, sesame are the examples of oil seeds. Vegetables, brinjal, sweet potato, beetroot are the examples of vegetables. Fruits, mango, lemon, orange are the examples of fruits. Green leafy vegetables, palak, spinach are the examples of green leafy vegetables. The food materials given in the table is related to the plant sources. The next is millets. The food we eat consists of more than one nutrient. Among them, millets like jowar, pearl millets, brown top millets, ragi, little millets are the examples of millets. Uses of millets. Millets can be grown using less water in less period of time. They grow easily in different environment and climatic conditions. These can be grown without using chemical fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides. Millets are called as friends of famine. These cereals have a lot of nutrients compared to all the food items. Okay children, this is about millets. Thank you children.